Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Welcome back, Grizzlies. Just a reminder that Spirit Week is next week. And that means we're going to have an assembly. And we're going to need some people to participate in the games during the assembly. Do you want to participate? Do you want to play? We need volunteers for the following games. Hungry Hippos, where balls are released in the middle, and someone from your team is pushed and pulled from on top of a rolly cart, and then using a laundry basket has to collect as many balls as possible. The team that collects the most wins. Another game is Noodle Battle, where everyone gets 2 noodles, and one of the noodles has a cup on top. Everyone then smacks each other's noodles till a cup falls, and when your cup falls off, you're out. Obviously no touching the cup during the game, and the last person with a cup on their noodle is the winner. It's a lot of fun. We will also have 2 other games, some old classics like musical chairs and tug of war. If you would like to participate or play in one of these games, you can sign up by talking to Mrs. Johnson in the Counseling Center. Thanks, Grizzlies.
It's Coach Clark here. Today, volleyball right after school from 3 to 4:20. If you're interested in doing intramurals or tryouts for the team, we want to see you there today, tomorrow, and Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week. Make sure you bring a water bottle, athletic clothes to play in, comfortable athletic shoes, and a good attitude. And for those of you who are really serious about it, you need to be there 4 of the 5 days of practices. There is a bus, but if you want to take it, you have to sign up for the after-school program. So just go to the counseling office. They have all the information there. Get the paperwork, sign up.
Hey Grizzlies, let's take a minute to remind everyone how our R-PBIS steps and cycles work. This is just so you know what happens if you're doing great or if you're having an off day. Nothing scary, just information. At Granite Park, everything runs on 3 expectations. Be safe, be respectful, and be responsible. That's it. If you can do those 3 things, school goes pretty smoothly. But sometimes, because we're human, people get off task.
Hey!
People get loud.
Hey!
And sometimes we ignore instructions. When that happens, your teacher uses something called a step. A step just means, hey, let's fix this before it gets bigger. Your teacher gives you a clear direction. Start your work.
Come back to your seat. Stop interrupting.
That's your chance to reset. If the behavior keeps going, your teacher might move your seat or change what you're doing. When that happens, your teacher fills out a quick report that your parents and other teachers can see. It's just communication. If the behavior still does not improve, you might get sent to a buddy classroom for a bit. That's a space to calm down or finish your work without the pressure of the room you were just in. At this point, your teacher will also contact home. When steps keep adding up, that becomes what we call a cycle. A cycle basically means the problem is happening often enough that we need to take a closer look at what's going on and how to help you turn things around. Sometimes behavior is more serious, like something unsafe or something that just can't be handled in the classroom. When that happens, your teacher sends you on a major referral. And that means you go straight to the office. And the office knows you're coming because the teacher messages them. The adults in the office will talk with you and help figure out the next steps. Now, What can you expect during all of this? You can expect conversations, your teacher talking with you, or your parents being contacted. You might fill out a reflection sheet so that you can think about what happened and how to fix it. Sometimes there are consequences like lunch detention, after-school study hall, or, in more serious cases, suspension. Not every situation has consequences, but those options are there when they're needed. Steps and cycles are not about gotchas. They're not about catching you doing something wrong. They are here to help you get back on track, to learn from your mistakes, and to keep our school running in a way where everyone can actually learn. Grizzlies, we want you here. We want you to feel like you're doing well. And we want you to feel like you can have a fresh start anytime you need one. Now, Grizzlies, it's a new semester. You've got a clean slate. Let's do this.